Eight-legged wonders at the zoo, 8 times tables. 8 was the number when Kiki saw an orb weaver spider spinning its web, a graceful provider. It crawled along the leaves with legs so long Kiki admired the spider as it sang its song. Kiki says 8 times 1 is 8. 8. 16 arms is what Kiki saw on 2 octopuses. They swam in the sea so playful. It amuses. With arms that twisted and curled with grace, Kiki watched them move in their watery space. Kiki says 8 times 2 is 16. 8, 16. 24 was the number when Tim saw a cuttlefish. In the ocean depths it changed color and made a wish. With 8 arms it swam in the soft blue light. Kiki smiled as it camouflaged through the night. Kiki says 8 times 3 is 24. 8, 16, 24. 32 legs on the floor is what Kiki counted on the 4. Scorpions with their tails curved high, they looked so much like champions. They crawled along the desert floor. Kiki knew they were venomous, but wanted to explore. Kiki says 8 times 4 is 32. 8, 16, 24, 32. 40 hairy legs were shared over 5 hairy tarantulas, crawling in patterns that looked like mathematical formulas. Each with 8 hairy legs, they moved with might. Kiki was amazed, but stayed out of sight. Kiki says 8 times 5 is 40. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 48 long legs was what Kiki saw in a row of 6 daddy long-legged spiders, wobbling around like super striders. They danced in the breeze, light as a feather. Kiki smiled at how well they moved. So clever. Kiki says 8 times 6 is 48. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. 56 legs is what caught Kiki's eye in a cluster of 7 sea spiders, their long legs stretching out, reaching further and wider. They crawled on the seaweed near the shore. Kiki thought of the deep sea, full of secrets galore. Kiki says 8 times 7 is 56. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. 64 legs saw Kiki under the microscope looking at 8 tiny mites. Tiny but mighty, they crawled in the light. With 8 legs each, they moved, so small and so quick. Kiki could hardly track them, but it made her heart tick. Kiki says 8 times 8 is 64. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. 72 legs on 9 whip scorpions is what Kiki counted. It had a long tail that was quite slender and pointed. Its legs were spread wide as it moved with grace. Kiki watched it carefully, studying its face. Kiki says 8 times 9 is 72. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. 80 legs on 10 black widows, a deadly spider. My, oh my, with a mark to show. A violin shape on its back so bright. Kiki knew to keep her distance, for it could bite. Kiki says 8 times 10 is 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 88 legs counted today when Kiki saw 11 different jumping spiders. They actively hunt up high and on the ground, a steady provider. Their legs moved so fast with such energy. Kiki marveled at their quick agility. Kiki says 8 times 11 is 88. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88. 96 minutes have passed with Kiki dreaming of them all. Spiders, scorpions and more. What a ball! 8 legs they all had, arachnids moving with grace. Kiki slept with a smile as dreams took their place. Kiki says 8 times 12 is 96. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. 8-legged spiders and octos so cool. You've mastered your 8s like a math-loving jewel. Crawl into bed, let your dreams spin and glide with 8-legged wonders right by your side.